Hi, today I'm gonna teach you how to cook orange chicken. We need compound sauce. We need prepared chicken thigh meat. We need hot chili sauce, ground garlic, broccoli, red dry pepper. We need orange peel, chop it up, and also we need slice of orange. Then we need cornstarch. Also we need vinegar and sesame oil and sugar. Also we need hot oil, a pot of hot oil and hot water. Okay, we just turn on the stove and we will come back after 8 minutes. Okay, let's go. We are going to put some. Be careful of your finger. Okay, put those into the hot oil. Don't stir fry first. Don't stir fry that. And then we are going to put the broccoli into the hot water. Turn the stove on the third pot. We need some oil. Then put the hot chili and the garlic. Also put the orange peel in there. Then you can make it separately. It's like General Toast chicken. So you can do it at the same way. You should fry the chicken until it becomes golden color. Okay, you can take those up, take the broccoli up. And just decorate. Okay, at this time you should pour the compound sauce. Probably 1 spoon. some hot chili sauce. And some vinegar, probably 1 tablespoon. Don't make it too sour. Stir it. So squeeze the orange in there. Need some orange juice. Let's see if the chicken is ready. Not yet. Ding. Okay, it has golden color, and then we'll just take it out. And then pour some cornstarch into the sauce. Okay. Pour the chicken in there. Stir that. The last thing is we need some sugar. About 2 tablespoons. You need a little bit sesame oil. Almost finished. You see that? It's your orange chicken. Is that perfect? Thank you for watching.